Hello everyone, Inventor719 here, and in today's video I have a very cool science experiment to show you guys. What we're going to be doing is microwaving a light bulb. Now, I've seen this done before with lots of incandescent light bulbs, just look it up on YouTube, but no one's done it with one of these fluorescent bulbs, and this is actually the only spare bulb I had around my apartment. So, let's see how this goes. So to do this experiment, get yourself a little glass bowl or a coffee mug or something and fill it up with water so that you can take your light bulb and just place it right side up, and so that the metal part is fully covered in water, as you can see there. And then in your microwave, open it up, and you're going to take out the rotation table part, just put that aside. And now, get your light bulb in the cup of water, just like that. It's all submerged in there, and place it in the microwave. Let's get this started. So in the other videos with the incandescent light bulbs, I saw them put it in for about 45 seconds, but I already tried this one out, and so what happens is you're about to see, and I don't like putting it in for very long, so I'm going to start it with only 10 seconds, and if it gets too scary looking, I'm going to stop it. So here we go, light bulb in a microwave, and this is the fluorescent bulb. Yeah, so that was only a few seconds, and as you saw, it got pretty bright. I'll do it again and then put it in slow motion for you, hopefully. Let's get a nice up-close view, shall we? Here we go. So yeah, as you can see, it got brighter and brighter, and it did look like it was going to explode, which is why I decided to stop it. But thanks for watching, everyone. Hope you enjoyed the video. The water is now warm, of course. And as always, please like, comment, and subscribe. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Do me a favor and click that big red subscribe button right there. And also, check out some of my other videos by clicking the links on the screen.